Hi, Steve again from Awesome, and today I'm in our fantastic workshop with our RS3 8Y, and now I'm going to talk to you about Forge's brand spanking new intake. Okay, so this intake, this fantastic new intake from Forge, isn't only available for the RS3 8Y, it's available for 8V models, and as from today, the RS-Q3 as well. Okay, as you can see, it has a huge 6-inch cone filter, and together with the oversized, wonderfully looking carbon back tube, really vastly increases airflow. So even on a standard car, brake horsepower increases can be seen. Going further down the back tube, you can see the Forge adapter, which can be also changed for a larger turbo, such as the likes of our TTE 777, TTE 700 and such like. Plenty again on the website for you to see there. The intake also comes with the option of heat resistant tape for those of you that want to keep those temperatures even further down, but of course it is in an enclosure that will keep heat away from that enormous cone filter as well. It also fits directly onto the hugely popular Forge silicon intake pipe, which we've been selling for some time now. As I said before, very popular item. This fits directly on without the use of any aftermarket adapters. It all comes and fits directly into the Forge item. Of course, I mentioned more power. This particular car has the Racing Line PCM tuning box on it at the moment. We're absolutely certain that there's going to be an increase of power with this as well. We'll probably do another video at some point to show this car on the dyno with this intake and with that tuning box. It's also a really good upgrade for a standard car. We all know there's no real tune available for these, so any bit of power that we can add is obviously beneficial. You'll gain power on a stock vehicle, but the sound is something else. Of course, this is available on our website. It's also available to be fitted here in our workshop. Give us a call if you need to, or click on the link below.